All right, let's jump right in. Let's get a coat on top, and we got to put a coat on some other pieces over here. Let's do it. I'm very happy that this car just started right up. It also, of course, as I pull the car out, is when it starts raining. I got the window open. I'm trying to clean out all the carbon. Look at this. You would think this is a rat's nest that I just pulled out of something. No, that is just carbon and dust that was on the floor, and a lot of carbon. So now, part 3,948, we got to start taking off the fenders. This is it. This is going to be the bolt that does me in because I can't open my door fully. That's the piece in the way. Yeah, of course. I used a small bolt on that one, but not the one on the bottom. Good. Okay. 1 more and you're free. Best puppy in the world, right there.
No, I'm here, dude. I'm eating this croissant and it tastes so good. And it's reminding me of you. As weird as that may sound, it's just...
That's not weird.
It's buttery, it's sweet.
It's just love. Be like Hernan. That's the sort of love that you need in the world. Welcome back. From my attire, you can probably take a guess. It's time to get covered in carbon shards. Let's do it. Please admire and just take a look at my coat that I have on me. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I got the whole front bumper and the whole hood fully sanded down now. I had to shower. It's obviously a different day. I needed to get all that carbon off me. I was covered and I'm still itchy. Still very, very itchy. But all the high spots are sanded down. There are some areas that are still sticking up, like that have to get done over here. Some in the back, you can see all the low voids and all that. And the fenders have to get done. But what you're going to see, I also had to lay this thing back on the car because I wanted to start getting the reinforcements for the fenders done. That's going to go right in that jam, which is what I'm working on now, which is what you guys are going to see in the next video. But I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching. And also, I've been reading all your comments. You have no idea how nice it is to be able to read some of the nice things you say. I want you guys to actually truly know. I really do love all the comments and reading the nice ones, even the bad ones of the people that are calling me psycho for doing that thing up there, that mold up there, and also this. For all you guys that said that this wasn't going to get done and that this was going to be a fail, thank you. That actually means a lot to me to know that, you know, I'm able to do it even though so many people doubt it. I love you guys. Thank you so much. I will see you when we are doing the Fender Jams.